Are you ready to break free from the barriers that have been holding you back? It's time for you to practice the law of assumption that empowers you to bring your deepest desires to life. It doesn't matter if your dreams are as ambitious as starting a successful business, enjoying financial prosperity, or seeking inner peace and good health. The incredible truth is that you possess the power to turn these dreams into reality, and it might be simpler than you ever imagined. So, how you can attract your desires into your life using the power of law assumption. Keep watching this video till the end, because in this video, I will not only explain how the law of assumption works, but I will share a powerful secret technique that allows you to manifest your desires without any effort. Before we start this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can stay connected to the manifestation community. Now, pay close attention. Many people naturally have doubts about the idea of attracting wealth, health, or happiness. It's perfectly normal to have doubts. You might be thinking, can it be this straightforward, or do I need to work restlessly for years to make my dreams come true? The law of assumption isn't some abstract concept. It's a practical tool that can change your life. To put it into simple words, the human mind is an immensely powerful tool. If you learn how to direct your thoughts and energy, you can take your manifesting abilities to pro levels. We know that each one of us is unique, with different desires and dreams. You might be wondering how a simple technique can be applied universally. Well, the answer is surprisingly simple. These techniques tap into fundamental aspects of human psychology and the universal energy that surrounds us. However, there might be moments when you feel like you're missing an essential piece of the puzzle. Successful manifestation depends on understanding each step in the process. You're not just a passive observer, you're a co-creator of your life. The world you see around you is a reflection of your thoughts. Your desires are like a vast menu of possibilities. So, where do you begin? It all starts with being specific about what you want. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and connect with the deepest desires of your heart. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? Don't overanalyze. Let your heart be your guide. For your desires to truly manifest, they must be in your best interests. It is crucial to choose your desires wisely and believe that you can achieve them. Learn to detach from the outcome. Worrying about when and how your dreams will manifest can sabotage the process. Instead, it's time to embrace the magic of detachment. Place your trust in the process, have faith, and watch in awe as the universe delivers more than you could have ever imagined. Detaching from the outcome plays a significant role in the manifestation process. Detachment shows your trust in the wisdom of the universe and its generosity. When you're constantly fretting about when and how your dreams will come true, it's like digging up a seed every day to check its progress. The seed needs time and space to grow. When you desire something, but also wait for it. With a sense of lack or desperation, you send an unclear message to the universe. The universe is far wiser than we can understand, and it knows what's best for you. When you trust in the process and have faith, you'll soon discover that the universe delivers in ways that often surpass your wildest expectations. Gratitude is a basic component of successful manifestation. When you express gratitude, you acknowledge and appreciate what you have already received, as well as what's on its way. It's like saying thank you to the universe. It shows that you're ready to receive more. Gratitude is a powerful magnet that attracts even more blessings into your life. By focusing on the positive aspects, you shift your energy in a way that supports the manifestation of your desires. You see, the universe operates on its timeline, and sometimes its timing may not match our immediate desires. That's where patience comes into play. Patience is the ability to trust in the process even when the results aren't apparent right away. It's essential to recognize that the universe has perfect timing. When you place an order with the universe, so to speak, it may not always arrive at your doorstep instantly, but it will arrive when the time is right. Embracing patience means understanding that there's a season for everything. When you plant a seed in the ground, it doesn't sprout into a tree overnight. It requires nurturing, time, and trust in the process. If you're someone who practices affirmations and positive self-talk, remember to use present tense affirmations. Instead of begging for what you want from a place of lack, speak your affirmations confidently. It's about affirming that you are already in the process of receiving your desires. This shift in perspective can be immensely powerful in the manifestation journey. Your gut feeling, also known as intuition, is another powerful tool on your journey of manifestation. It's like your inner compass, a way to connect with the universe. When you trust your intuition, you're tuning into a secret language between you and the universe. Instead of getting caught up in overthinking and doubt, your intuition is like a guiding light. In manifestation, your intuition is of immense importance. It helps you recognize opportunities and signs from the universe. By paying attention to your intuition, you become better at understanding these messages and taking the right actions. Now, let's explore a simple ritual to enhance your manifestation process. This ritual doesn't involve complicated steps or mystical practices. It's a practical way to boost your manifesting power. Begin by setting up a dedicated space where you can perform this ritual. It can be a quiet corner in your home, a cozy chair, or simply a peaceful spot in nature. The idea is to have a place where you can focus your thoughts and intentions without distractions. Before you start, take a few moments to relax and center yourself. You can do this by taking deep breaths and clearing your mind of any clutter. This step is essential for getting into the right frame of mind for manifestation. Close your eyes and visualize your desires. Imagine them as already achieved, as if you're living your dream life right now. Feel the emotions associated with these achievements, whether it's happiness, gratitude, or fulfillment. The more vivid and real you make this mental picture, the stronger the manifestation. Next, write down your affirmations in the present tense. Affirmations are simple, positive statements that reflect your goals and desires. For example, if your desire is financial success, your affirmation might be, "I am financially prosperous." These affirmations serve to reinforce your intentions. Now, light a candle in your manifestation space. The candle represents the energy and light you're bringing to your desires. It's a symbol of transformation and manifestation. Read your written affirmations aloud, slowly and with conviction. Feel the words as you say them. This step helps imprint your desires into your subconscious mind, reinforcing your commitment to manifesting them. Take a moment to express gratitude for what you have already and for what's on its way. Gratitude is a powerful magnet that attracts more positive things into your life. Close your eyes again and meditate on your desires while the candle is still burning. Visualize your dreams coming true, just like you did at the beginning of the ritual. Feel the emotions associated with your achievements. The candle's flame can serve as a focal point for your meditation. When you feel that you've sufficiently focused on your desires, gently blow out the candle. This action represents sending your intentions out into the universe. After you've completed the ritual, take a moment to record your experiences and feelings. Write down any insights or inspirations that came to you during the process. This journal can serve as a record of your manifesting journey. You can perform this manifestation ritual as often as you like, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. The key is consistency and belief in the process. Over time, you'll likely notice positive shifts in your life as your desires come closer to reality. In life, there are often people who say that success and happiness are impossible. They might tell you that your dreams are out of reach or that life is a constant struggle. But here's where your belief in the universe and the process of manifestation is crucial. Don't let doubts, whether they come from inside your head or from others, hold you back. These doubts can be like chains, keeping you from reaching your full potential. Instead, approach your journey with an open heart and strong belief in the possibilities. Believing in your dreams and the process of manifestation is a powerful force for success. It's like having a deep sense of trust, not necessarily in a religious way, but trust in the universe's amazing possibilities. It's an acknowledgement that there's something bigger at work, something beyond our full understanding. Your belief in the manifestation process is what propels you forward. It's the foundation of your trust in the universe's grand plan for you. When you truly believe in your heart's desires and the path you're on, you emit a powerful energy that can work wonders. If you've been struggling to break free from doubts and tap into your intuition's full potential, meditation can be your ticket to personal freedom. It's not a complicated practice. It's as simple as sitting quietly and turning your attention inward. Meditation is a tool that allows you to break free from the mental chains that hold you back. It's like unwrapping daily gifts of abundance right in front of your eyes. When you make meditation a regular part of your life, you gain access to higher states of consciousness, where your intuition becomes a guiding force and your beliefs take on a deeper, more profound meaning. As you meditate, you learn to quiet the noise of the outside world and your inner chatter. You create a space for inner reflection and clarity, allowing your intuition to shine through. It's in this state of inner stillness that you can truly connect with the universe and its limitless possibilities. With meditation, you break free from the cycle of overthinking, self-doubt, and fear. You become a more harmonious part of the universe's grand design. Instead of anxiously chasing your dreams, you start to notice that they naturally come to you. It's like unlocking the flow of life's abundance and allowing it to work through you. Meditation, in its simplicity, is your daily practice of unwrapping the gifts of abundance that the universe is continually offering. If you've found these tips helpful, please like and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more helpful content and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep manifesting.